Good afternoon, this is Bob McIntosh with MarineMax here in Naples, Florida, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of our 2018 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. Starting in the aft with our port side entry, you'll come to find a very entertainable boat. We have seating throughout the aft cockpit with our optional teak cockpit tables, all while utilizing the sure shade to keep us out of the sun. Moving forward to the helm, you'll notice we have 3 wide seating with a drop-down platform to help us get some extra elevation to really see over the bow. Enough room for twin 16-inch displays, and my favorite part, the optional helm AC. Down below we have a small berth with a full stand-up head and shower. And again, what I like about that is it's all climate controlled, whether we want heat for those chillier days in February or some AC for those hot summers here in South Florida. Let's go check out the bow. So at the bow, we have a double wide chase lounger with fold down armrests and drink holders, 12-volt plug to charge electronics, 2 flip-up backrests on port and starboard for additional forward-facing seating, and a high-low table with a filler cushion to turn this entire area into a sun pad. If you'd like to see more or you'd like your own private walkthrough, please give me a call. Again, I'm Bob McIntosh here at MarineMax in Naples. You can reach me on my cell phone at 215-501-2473, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.